They say today is World Smile Day, but, well, the world isn't exactly the kindest place right now, is it? And sometimes it's hard to find a reason to smile. Do you know the best way to find one? Exactly. If you want to smile for real, the best thing you can do is to make someone you care about smile first. So, here's an idea. With doctorSIM, you can send a recharge in seconds to stay connected with your loved ones, or surprise them with an instant digital gift card, all from wherever you are, always at the best price. Head over to doctorsim.com and give it a go. Seriously, it doesn't take much. And those smiles are priceless.